Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the retro zoom style to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already added a clip, and to add the retro zoom style, you just need to click on your clip and go to style at the bottom and swipe through the style until you find this retro zoom. So just click on that and wait for CapCut to detect the music and apply the retro zoom effects to your clip. So it will automatically detect the music and match the retro zoom with the beats of the music. So after the music is detected, it will generate the retro zoom style to your clips, and you can always adjust it. You can adjust the music source, the beat frequency, the speed, and also the strength. And in here, the video will now look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.